Good morning, my friends. It's Daryl at the Automatic Trade Desk bringing you even more automatic trading from today, okay? We've got to win more. We're going to win more in futures, automatic trading. If you've ever heard that term, we got to win more. Okay, that's what we're doing today. Bringing in the golden age of trading with automatic trading for you today. Let's take a look. First of all, it is April 24th, 2025, 8:19 and change Pacific time. Current price over here on the NQ, mini future of the NASDAQ index. Daily candlestick right here, okay? You can see R1 and PP, we're currently hovering above the R1 right now for those that are interested in floor trader pivots. Okay, once again, daily candlestick right here. We're trading the NQ 625. We have a closed P&L right here, 3,965. Amazing trading. Anybody that trades futures know that this result is amazing on one contract, okay? That's 793 ticks profit, my friends. 793 ticks. Okay, we're trading a 600 volume bar in this account this morning, all right? 600 volume bar. Where did I get that? Why am I trading a 600 volume candlestick? By the way, I call candlesticks bars and bars candlesticks. Really, the wicks and everything mean nothing to me. It's a bar, okay? Where if price printed there, it printed there. All right, so 600 volume bar. I'm trading it because of the data set. I have a very strong data set, a big, beautiful data set that lets me know what to trade. I set this automatic trading last night before I went to bed. Didn't even look at price before I chose my strategy out of my data set. That's not necessary. With discretionary trading, believe me, I traded discretionary for many years, spent thousands, literally thousands of hours of screen time staring at price. Never do that anymore, okay? Not necessary with automatic trading. I'm trading for results, and I don't think anyone could argue with these results. Anyone that knows trading or trades futures would say this is an amazing result, okay? If they don't have a pulse, all right? So let's say goodbye to this daily candlestick right now. We're going to scroll back and take a look at the trades we took. We, by the way, took 5 trades. 4 were successful. 1 was a stop out. I'm going to scroll back in time right now. Okay. Last night at midnight, boom, we went short. That was a good trade, wasn't it? It gave us no heat at all. Look at that entry. We went short, gave us no heat. In other words, it didn't print against us 1 tick. All right? You could have got in with a 10 or 20 tick stop and not stopped out. You rarely ever see trades that do that, okay? Barely ever. So we were good there on a short. Then trading automatically, we were flat during this dip right here. And then what did we do? Automatically, we went long, okay? This was at 2 a.m., all right? And it hit target, okay? Then what happened? We were flat for a while, right? Weren't we? We weren't even in the market, okay? And so we were flat for a little while. Then we went short right here. We went short right here. So we were flat for, I'm going to look at this, about 3 hours. Not in the market, not at risk for about 3 hours. Then, boom, we went short. And what happened? We stopped out. That wasn't a good trade, was it? You can see our stop was right there. But then what happened? Did we, did automatic trading give up? No, it didn't. Automatic trading did give up. Then we went long and boom, hit target there, okay? Went long and hit target. Did it just go right for us? Did we take some heat? A little bit. Look, it printed against us all throughout this area. Anywhere below this arrow here, Basically a little bit below the PP was our entry. So anywhere in that area it would have printed against us. 1, 2, 3, 4 times it came down and plunged against us, but then hit target, didn't it? Okay. Then flat again, no risk, my friends. No risk again for about 20 minutes, and then had a short entry. It's very hard to see here, but you can see the labeling. Short entry, and had a very short trade and hit target there, okay? Not target, but fire close daily max goal. That's what the strategy is set to do, is to stop, okay? Is set to stop at this amount, okay? We had it looks like about 9 ticks slippage because I had this set for 4 grand. Okay, so 9 ticks slippage, not bad at all in today's market. You futures trader that have been trading today's market know that some of the slippage is in some of the more busier times when the tariffs first came on. Sometimes you could have slippage of 50 to 100 ticks even. 100 ticks slippage, that's amazing. And scary as well. So everybody has to figure that out into their risk management when they're trading futures. But my point is, 9 ticks is nothing in slippage for today's market. Okay, so amazing automatic trading. 4 successful trades out of 5. Okay, I'm going to zoom back to current price over here. There it is, current price. We're just bubbling around just right above this area where we've been trading. Took our last trade. Okay, amazing automatic trading. It was no hands. I set this last night before I went to bed. Didn't even have to look at price at all, and just looked at it about a half hour ago, and been sitting down to take these videos to show them to you. So I'm showing you this video. I'm showing you this trading so you know it's possible. It's amazing. Any futures trader would tell you that these results are absolutely amazing. To get 790 ticks per contract. And is our future scalable? Yeah. If you have the account size and experience, you could trade 2 contracts. You could trade 3 contracts. So amazing automatic trading. The results and the ticks speak for themselves.